Ladies and gentlemen, good day. My name is Tong-Young Lee, the CEO of Stemcyte. It is my great pleasure to introduce our company to you. Stemcyte has been a trusted leader around the world in regenerative medicine for 24 years. The facilities are located at the United States, India, and Taiwan as well. Our goal is to consistently support the advancement of cord blood and cord tissue stem cell transplants and therapies, and deliver life-changing solutions to families around the world.
Most important thing is our vision. It is not just saving cord blood. It is about saving lives. Our mission is create new cell therapy related project based on cord blood unit. And niche and differentiation. Stemcyte is the most transplantation cases private cord blood company during the world. Stemcyte is only one private cord blood company at the US with fully supporting from government. Stemcyte will be only two private companies have FDA biologic license agreement approval of cord blood unit. Here, you can see our pipeline. We have several projects for different indications, including blood system disorders, acute stroke, cerebral palsy, spinal cord injury, and cancers. Based on time limited, I am asking Dr. Casper Dai, our VP at US site, to share more detail of our NC001 project for spinal cord injury with you. Dr. Dai, please.
Hi, I'm Dr. Casper Dai, VP of Operations at Stemcyte. Today I will present you cord blood stem cell treatment for spinal cord injury.
First, I would like to give you brief background. Previous animal studies demonstrated the benefits of a stem cell therapy for treatment of a spinal cord injury. One of the stem cell sources is cord blood stem cells. Umbilical cord blood dried mononuclear cells may improve spinal cord injury recovery through secretion of anti-inflammatory cytokines and growth factors, prevention of apoptosis, and facilitating of myelination. Based on previous findings, Stemcyte decided to initiate and sponsor spinal cord injury trials. Stemcyte conducted a preclinical study in a rat model with spinal cord injury using umbilical blood dried mononuclear cells, also known MC001. Our results show no adverse effect and reduction in tissue damage. Phase 1 trial was conducted in Hong Kong and demonstrated safety of MC001 transplants in patients with chronic spinal cord injury. Phase 2 trial was conducted in Kunming, China, and demonstrated that MC001 transplant and locomotor training improved spinal cord injury recovery in patients with chronic spinal cord injury. I will show you the clinical outcome in the following slide. Next slide, I'm showing you where we manufacture MC001. MC001 cells are manufactured at the Stemcyte GMP facility in Bowen Park, California, US. On the day of a request, mononuclear cells are prepared from a frozen CPU using FICO gradient and then concentrated in a vial before releasing to a clinical site. In the next slide, I am briefly introduce the trial procedures. There are two steps. First step is precision delivery. MC001 cells were directly injected in dorsal roots above and below injured site. The second step is advanced rehab program. 2 weeks after operation, patients receive intensive locomotor training 6 hours a day, 6 days a week for 3 to 6 months with a worker and assistants. And in the next slide, I'm showing you the clinical outcome from phase 2 trial in Kunming. There are 20 completed paralyzed patients in this trial. The longest year after injury is 20 years. Patient receives MC001 transplant and intensive locomotor training as I described in the previous slide. In the clinical outcome, we assess working index and spinal cord independence measure scores. We observed significant improvement. Quick summary here. MC001 transplant and intensive locomotor training can lead walker and bladder and ball recovery. In the next slide, I am presenting MRI images of the spinal cord before after treatment. Before operation, upper left image shows a clear gap at the injured site. 12 months after treatment, right image shows fibers crossing the gap. The lower right image shows the descending fibers extending. You can see the red arrow and the light blue. So these images indicate that our trial procedures facilitate neuron regeneration. Based on exciting clinical outcomes, Stemcyte decided to go further, sponsoring the multi-nation and the multi-center phase 2 trial. The phase 2 trial was approved by US FDA and TFDA and will be conducted in Tzu Hospital in Hualien, Taipei Medical University Hospital, and US clinical sites. My presentation ends here. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Dr. Dai. I also would like to share the video with you of brief information of our headquarters at the United States.
We are Stemcyte, a global cord blood stem cell therapeutic company and the most trusted leader in the transplantation industry worldwide. Our stunning 40,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility in the heart of the Baldwin Park Industrial Center in California is where brilliant scientific and medical minds work together to achieve innovation and progress every day. Our rich 20-year history has shown dedication to helping the world's physicians save more lives by providing high-quality, safe, and effective stem cell products to all patients in need. Our well-informed, friendly team is on hand and available for all your needs. With access to 3 international airports, your baby's cord blood and tissue can swiftly make its way to our facility. Our highly trained staff will process the cord blood in accordance with over 400 validated procedures. Stemcyte's proprietary max cell processing method results in the highest possible yield with over 99% recovery of stem cells, a critical component to providing a product of unsurpassed quality that maximizes the opportunity for a successful transplant of the cord blood unit should it ever be needed. Until then, you and your family can rest assured that your baby's cord blood will be safely stored at very low temperatures in one of our liquid nitrogen vapor phase dewars. Supplied by Stemcyte's 11,000-gallon bulk liquid nitrogen tank, maintained by a centralized control and monitoring system, and safeguarded by a massive backup electric generator. Dedicated to advancement in the science of healing and helping you to protect your family, we are Stemcyte.
Thank you so much for your attention, and we are welcome for any kind of collaboration.